Alright guys, here you go. Here's the unboxing for Barely Legal Lock and Load. Alright, here we go. Try to do this as best as I can. I'm holding the camera. Hold on, let me stand it straight up. Good. Camera here. Alright, here you go. Morning shoots flaming balls. Here's the top of it. First one comes out. Second one comes out. Third one comes out too. I'm not going to be doing a demo in this video because it's not dark and I don't have that good of a camera for it to be switching from here to all the way to dark, and my camera doesn't do that stuff. So, and there's the box. Gonna throw the box over there. Okay, here we go. Never had these before. Here we go. First thing I want to do, take this dumb thing off. Here's the shell. They're really not as heavy as I thought they'd be. They're really light. There's top on it. This one is green glitter with, hold on, see if it'll focus, and white glitter with blue stars. I'm going to set it in my thing. It's from the other box. I already took that out. Set it here. And I'm just going to take all these ones and put them there real quick. Try to make it as quick as possible for yins. Oh, parrot boy. There you go. Alright, now here comes the tube. Pull all this tape off. There you go. This tube slides right out. Lock and load fiberglass tube. Lock and load. Barely legal. 24 hardcore shells. Do not place head over tube. Warning, shoots flaming balls. It's fiberglass. It's a nice tube. It's pretty sturdy. It's sturdy. It's really sturdy. So, showtime. Set these up here. I have all my other ones. Okay. I'll open up one more and then that'll be the end of the video because I don't want to make the video too long. It's already 3 minutes in. Shells.